We begin our study of curved mirror by looking at this sphere. Sphere is a ball-shaped object. So we have here the center of sphere, and this curvature is actually here. The curvature is a portion of the ball that I cut out, and the portion of ball I cut out, it may look something like this in 3D manner. You look at this AB, and you look at this AB. So I cut out, and there's a center of sphere. See? So the AB is a portion being cut out to make concave or convex mirror. But how do we differentiate concave and convex mirror? So we have this situation, the arrow showing here. If this part is reflecting, it's a concave mirror. So it may look something like this, where the light ray comes from here and strike here at F. Okay, the light ray comes here, and it will, after this is a tangent line. Okay, if there's a tangent line, there must be a normal line. So here is I, here is R. I equals to R, because this is a law of reflection. The law of reflection says that any light ray that strike a surface, let's say a tangent surface, straight line, it will be reflected with the same angle. So as we zoom in, then we'll see things clearer. You see a tangent line, T and T, and then normal line, N. Probably I could call this O, ON. So the light ray indicated by the first arrow is strike the surface. Let's call it K. Let's call it M. So KON is I angle, and then NOM is R angle. Okay, KON I and NOM R. I equals to R. They equal to each other. So because of this, any light ray that comes can strike F. And imagine many other light rays also do the same thing. Also strike the F. Also strike the F. Also strike the F. F is called a focal point. A focal point is the place where light rays all converge after striking the curved mirror, especially concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. But how do we find out if it is a convex mirror? Look at this part. If this part is reflecting, the diagram will look something like this. The light ray comes and it will be reflected away. Later we will just explain why. So this convex mirror, there's a silly story to remember. Imagine your head. Here's your head. Do you wax your hair? I mean, you don't really wax your hair, you just use gel to gel your hair. But I like to go a bit crazy. Use some wax to go and wax your head. Your head is actually convex shape. You see? Curve out. So this one looks like your head. So this is convex mirror. It's an analogy to the story of, you wax your head. Does your head look like this? Can't be. Okay? Your head doesn't look like this. Impossible, your head that is curving in. Your head is curving out, so that's why it's called convex mirror. This is just my story. So whenever you see this is convex mirror, just think of wax your hair.